5 students are okay. Let other students join. Then we will. But we are starting our this activity. Okay. And now, students. Okay. First of all, let us start with this tongue twister. After that, another things will be there. Okay. First of all, we will start with tongue twister, and tongue twister, as I told you, how you will start? कैसे तुम read करोगे? पहले धीरे, slowly, then slowly, and then fast. Okay. What do we say? This thing. I comb. This is a rhyme for this nursery KG student. I comb my hair slowly, slowly, and then fast. I brush my teeth slowly, slowly, and then fast. So in the same way, you will read this tongue twister. Okay. Then slowly and then fast. Okay. 3 times. जिस बच्चे का नाम I will take, he or she will have to read for 3 times. और आपने fast read करनी है, so that आपकी tongue क्या करे, वो twist हो जाए. Twist means bent हो जाए. Okay. तो बहुत funny. Then you will enjoy. Okay. अगर आप धीरे-धीरे करोगे, how much would the chuck, तो आपकी कोई mistake नहीं होगी, और and we will not enjoy. Okay. First of all, see. First I am reading, then you will read. Be attending the class. Look at the board. Yes, this. Ayush, look at the board. Board किधर देखना है? Okay. Now I will listen. First of all, I am going to read. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? Okay. देखो कैसे read करना है आपने जल्दी. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? Woodchuck is a type of rodent. Okay. एक rodent होता है, small. Okay. Heavy build. Second, listen. If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. Okay. If you want to buy. If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think there is any need to read me once again? एक बार read कर दूँ आपको? Okay, it's okay. Shall I read once more? Or it's okay?
Ma'am, please read it again.
Okay, beta. How much would? लेकिन आपको how you will read fast. Okay, तब मजा आएगा. अगर fast read करोगे, then we will enjoy when your tongue will twist. How much would a woodchuck chuck? If a woodchuck could chuck food, okay. If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. Got it? And listen, tongue twister क्यों होते हैं? To increase your pronunciation and obvious fun के लिए भी they are said. Okay. Now let us start with Kavya Chaudhary. Kavya Chaudhary, first tongue twister.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaldi, okay.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? If
fast.
you want to buy. If you don't want to buy.
You will read only first, okay? पहले first को read करो और fast read करो.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
फिर read करो 3 times.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck a food?
Okay, no mistake. Okay, आपकी तो कोई mistake नहीं हुई. Good बेटा. Ayush Kumar. Okay. Yes, बेटा, read the first.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? If you want to buy. If you
only first, I have said only first. First read करोगे, पर fast read करो, ताकि tongue twist, वैसे तो आपकी tongue twist नहीं होगी. जल्दी से करो read fast.
How much would a woodchuck chuck? And what was it?
Yes,
If
yes.
chuck could chuck food.
Once more. Fast
If
करना है.
you,
हाँ,
फास्ट बोलना करना है
fast बेटा.
if you want to buy, if you don't want to,
क्या पढ़ रहा है फास्ट if you would
how if you would chuck could chuck food.
Okay. Okay, बेटा. Okay. Now Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, please take my turn.
Sorry, better please don't say this thing कि my turn. I will myself take your turns, okay? हमें सभी जो मेरी स्क्रीन में दिखता चलेगा, I will take their turns. सभी की बारी आएगी. Don't worry about this. Ayush wearing this black dress, murmuring in his mouth. Ayush, black dress. Ayush, how many Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
How many Ayush are there in your class? How many Ayush are there? Yes, Ayush, you. Yes, you. अभी जिसने unmute किया था.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. You read this first.
Who much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
How is written? Okay. 3 times read करना है. Do fast.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Fast. और read करो. जल्दी read करो. Fast.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could wood?
Okay. Okay. Your tongue twisted. Okay. That is the fun. Okay. If your tongue twist, that is the fun. Yes, Tanvi. Only Tanvi. No surname. Okay. Without surname. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanvi, fast. Your tongue should twist. इतना fast read करना है. Okay. Now start the first.
How much a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Fast.
Ma'am,
3 times.
How much would yes, ma'am. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck
Very
could chuck
good.
food?
Fifth fast.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Okay, good beta. Avantika Divan.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck food?
Okay, 2 times more. और जल्दी read करो. 2 times more. फिर करो read.
How much if a woodchuck would chuck food?
Woodchuck. It is woodchuck. Okay, it is woodchuck. Once more. Do fast. Read करो. Fast. Yes. Correct. फिर से read करो.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck food?
Okay. Nishant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better read the first.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
3 times. 3 times.
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Okay, once more.
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Okay, beta, but 2 mistakes were there, Nishan. It is wood, lakdi. Wood, okay, wood. Yes, pronunciation wood नहीं बोलना आपने. You were saying wood, okay? Wood. Okay. Good. Okay. Avantika Divan was there. Yes, Anshuman. Second को read करो.
If you want to buy, do want to buy.
जल्दी read करो fast. If you want to buy,
If you do not want to buy.
fast. Yes, fast or fast.
If you want buy. If you buy.
Read.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन ही बंद हो गई.
Okay जी. Now, yes, first को read करो.
How much would woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
ओके बेटा, लेकिन देखो आपने ठीक बोला, कोई टंग ट्विस्ट नहीं. इसमें कब एंजॉय करोगे? जब आपकी टंग ट्विस्ट हो जाएगी, जब आप फास्ट करोगे. जैसे लाइक दिस, इफ यू वांट टू बाय इफ यू डोंट वांट टू बाय इफ यू वांट टू बाय इफ यू डोंट वांट. ऐसे रीड करना है आपने, जल्दी जल्दी, तभी फॉलो. यस कनिका.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो रीड करो सेकंड.
If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy.
ओके, फर्स्ट को रीड करो. रीड द फर्स्ट.
If you want to buy. If you don't want buy.
ओके, फर्स्ट. वेरी गुड. इतनी स्पीड में, वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट रीड द फर्स्ट.
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck?
Okay, fast, very good, fast. 2 times more.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Maybe 3 times करना है आपको. Okay.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Okay, very good, very good. Vinayak Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. First and second को read करो fast.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck could chuck food?
बेटा ऐसे तो कोई नहीं होगा. Fast करो read इसको. Second को read करो. चलो second को read करो.
If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy.
Okay, if you want to buy. If you don't want to buy means अगर आप खरीदना चाहते हो तो खरीदो बाय. और तुम खरीदना नहीं चाहते हो then बाय. Okay, if you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. ऐसे read करते हैं जल्दी. Okay, then this Nishant wearing this green dress.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nishant, you read this first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, first को read करो. First tongue twister.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Could नहीं बोलना. Don't read it could और would नहीं करना आपने. Could, would. Okay, L is silent. Could, would. Would, it is wrong. Could.
Would.
Okay, L is silent in both these words. Could and would. Yes, अब read करो. Fast read करो इसको. Did it fast?
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Beta, it means you will not change. I said it is could. It is would. मैंने क्या बोला? L is silent. Would में L is silent. तो you will say could, would. आप फिर could और would कर रहे हो. Okay? Could, would. L silent means L आपने नहीं बोलना है. जब आप read करोगे इसको, when you are going to read this word, then you will not use L. You will means आप could बोलोगे, L को use नहीं करोगे. Would बोलोगे, L को use नहीं करोगे. Would, would. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? ऐसे. Yes, एक बार दोबारा से करो निशांत. Once more.
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck food?
Very good. Next, last one, second, read the second one. Second को भी read करो, निशांत.
If you want to buy. If you don't want buy.
Okay. Now, this Tanveer not connected. Nishan, okay. कोई student, any student who has left and who want to speak? Any student who has left and he or she wants to speak? Avantika Dhiman. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First,
Ma'am.
Avantika Dhiman. After that, Tanveer.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
You just raise your hands. Just raise your hand and I will see. Avantika Dhiman.
Yes.
First and second, to read this first and second.
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck food? If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy.
Beta, the 3 times you were supposed to read for the 3 times. 3 times आपने read करना था. Or with speed.
How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck food? If you would to buy. If you don't would to buy. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck food? If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy.
Okay, good. Now, yes, this Tanvi who has raised her hand. Tanvi. 3 times read karo Tanvi and with full speed.
Ma'am, second.
First.
Ma'am, first.
Yes. First and second both.
Yes, ma'am. How much would your woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? How much would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck food? Ma'am, second.
Second, okay.
If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy. If you want to buy. If you don't want to buy.
Very good. Any other student who has left? Okay. Yes, Tanvi Dhiman. Okay, Tanvi Dhiman. Tanvi Dhiman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the first and second could read from.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if you woodchuck could chuck food?
Fast
karo. How much would a woodchuck chuck? How much would a woodchuck chuck if you woodchuck could chuck food?
Okay.
How much how much would a woodchuck chuck if you woodchuck could chuck food? If you want to buy. If you want to don't.
You don't
If
want
you
to
want to buy. If you don't want to buy. If you want to buy. If you want to not buy.
Okay, beta. Now, everybody has done. Sabhi ka ho gaya? Now, okay. This Kavya Chaudhary and Tanvi Dhiman. Suppose, okay. Kavya Chaudhary and Tanvi Dhiman are 2 best friends. ये दोनों क्या है? These are 2 best friends, and they are meeting after a long time. बहुत time के बाद ये they are meeting after a long time. Okay. Suppose यहाँ market में Nagrota Bhagwa market में suppose they met. Okay. Kavya Chaudhary and Tanvi Dhiman both are best friends, right? First, this thing is clear. Kavya Chaudhary and Tanvi Dhiman both are best friends, and they have met at this Nagrota Bhagwan. Then what they will talk with each other after they are meeting after suppose 5 years, okay? Suppose आप बड़े बच्चे हो, अभी आप 5th में हो. Suppose they are meeting after 5 years, okay? 5 years के बाद दोनों best friends they are meeting नगरोटा भगवा में, दोनों friends सामने आ गई, ठीक है? Then what they will talk with each other? काव्य चौधरी एंड तन्वी धीमान, आप क्या बात करोगे एक दूसरे के साथ? लेट अस नो, ओके? ऐसे सभी की दो पेयर्स, I will make pair and they will converse with each other. They will talk with each other. Yes, Kavya Chaudhary and Tanvi Dhiman. Rest of the students, you will not unmute yourself. This Kavya and Tanvi Dhiman will unmute themselves and they will talk and we will see क्या बातें करती हैं दोनों best friends. Okay? Yes, Tanvi and Kavya Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, firstly, when we meet with each other, we...
No, listen to me. You will not tell me that I'm not a teacher. Means you think this thing that you are at Nagrota Bhagwan. आप Nagrota Bhagwan में पहुंच गए, तन्वी मिल गई, तो आप क्यों करोगे? Hi Tanvi, how are you? ऐसे करोगे ना आप अपनी best friend. You will do like this. आप क्या करोगे? मैम ऐसा करेंगे, वैसा करेंगे. Don't say this. सीधा. Hi Tanvi, how are you? So long to see. Have you been these days? ठीक है, ऐसे आप करनी है. Yes, Kavya and Tanvi. Yes, बेटा. Kavya and Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanvi, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am.
Kavya, start.
Ma'am, Tanvi Dhiman.
Yes, yes, Tanvi Dhiman is there.
Hi, Kavya. Who's there? There is Tanvi. Oh, my best friend. We meet after 5 years.
Very good, Kavya.
I was just seeing you after 5 years.
Okay, very good, yes. Yes, Tanvi, talk with Kavya. Don't look at other students, okay? दूसरे students को नहीं देखना है. Your best friend is in front of you. Your best friends, you have converted with your best friend. Means आपके अपनी best friend के साथ आपका सामना हो गया एकदम नगरोटा मार के. And now, Tanvi, yes, say something to your best friend. मिलो, तो आप क्या
Hi,
करोगे?
Katya. How are you? I'm
Fine.
in 5 years with you.
Mm-hmm.
Where is your home and where are you studying?
I'm studying in Singapore and my home is in near Nagrota.
Okay.
I have completed my 5 years in Singapore and I was just studying about nursing.
Okay.
And where you live, I don't want.
Okay, Tanvi, you tell which is your native place, from where you are, because Kavya wants to come to your house. Then tell her.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
My house is at Kangra. I'm at Kangra. Okay. अब तुम देखो बेटा best friend मिल रहा था वैसे बात करोगे hi hello. But you will say कैसे बोलोगे? आप बोलोगे hi Tanvi, कैसी है Tanvi? Hi Tanvi, तो you have become so fat. तुम तो बहुत मोटी. ऐसा आप मिलोगे अपनी best friend. आप ऐसे बोलोगे. Yes Tanvi, how are you? Yes, where is your home? ऐसे आप क्या करोगे? बहुत excited feel करोगे. Hi Tanvi, where have you been these days? So long to see you. How are you? You have gone quite. You are too fat. And this Tanvi will say, wow, Kavya, your dresses means बाल आपके. Your dresses are so beautiful, Tanvi. Wow, your dress is so. आप ऐसे करते हैं ना बात. Friends कैसी बात करती हैं? आप सोचो कि आप friend हो best friend. Okay, fair. Then hints I have given. Okay, now. Yes. Yes. Yes,
I
Tanvi.
live in Kangra and I standing about of
Mm-hmm.
doctor.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then
Of doctor
and
and,
it is. Mm-hmm.
and
And how is your brother? How is your mother, father? How is uncle, aunt? You have come to Nagrota for shopping now, isn't it? Like this, okay? ऐसे तुमने बात करनी है. Now, this suppose this Naksh and Vinayak Sharma are best friends. Naksh and okay, let me ask Vinayak Sharma, who is your best friend?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Anshuman.
Anshuman. Okay, it means you want to converse with Anshuman. Anshuman से बात करनी है. Okay. Yes, Anshuman and this. Anshuman, you talk with your best friend. Anshuman and Vinayak Sharma, unmute yourself. Anshuman and Vinayak Sharma. Yes, Anshuman. Anshuman, unmute yourself. Tanvi, you have raised your hand. Wait a minute, okay? Let Anshuman and Vinayak Sharma speak. Anshuman is not unmuting himself. This Vinayak. Vinayak Sharma. Vinayak Sharma. Anshuman is not unmuting himself. Okay, you better talk with Ayush. Vinayak, you talk with Ayush. Okay, your best friend is not unmuting yourself, himself. So it is better to talk with Ayush. Now Vinayak and Ayush are two best friends. Okay. Now let us see what they talk with each other. Okay. Yes, Vinayak. Vinayak, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now you talk with Ayush, okay? Then I will tell कि सबसे अच्छी conversation किसने की है. Okay? Then I will. Yes, Vinayak and Ayush. Vinayak, ऐसे कोई मजा नहीं आता बेटा. You should speak.
Hello, Ayush.
Yes, very good. Hello, Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Ayush, black dress. Very good. Ayush is lying on his bed. उस बेड में लेटा आयुष. Okay, Ayush Kumar. Now Ayush Kumar, you unmute yourself. Yes, Ayush Kumar, you talk with Vinayak, okay?
Hello, Vinayak.
Very good.
Ayush, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am.
Okay. Yes, Ayush and Vinayak, something more. बस आप ये you are meeting up with your best friend. आप बस यही बोलोगे hello कैसे हो, hi कैसे हो, बस. और क्या? What else you will speak? What else? Yes, Vinayak will say, yes, Ayush, what are you doing these days? Ayush, this corona has hurt us, okay? This corona is bad. Due to this corona, we are not able to come to school. We can't enjoy our classes. We can't play games. We can't chat with our friends. I'm missing my school a lot. Then Ayush will say, no, I am enjoying at my home. I don't want the school should be open. Okay? Yes, Vinayak and I will take a hints I am giving again and again. Vinayak. बस दो बातें कर ली, hi and hello, and that's all. बस खत्म, हो गया खत्म. बस this much you can say. Only 1-2 sentences you can speak. Okay, Tanvi was saying. Yes, Tanvi, unmute yourself with her. Tanvi. Okay, Tanvi is laughing. Tanvi, unmute yourself. Yes, Tanvi. Tanvi, what happened? बेटा अभी आप बोल रहे थे कि मैम आई वांट. Yes, you Tanvi.
क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी.
Okay, Tanvi. Okay, now with whom you want to chat? Who is your best friend? Tanvi सोच रही है whose name should I take? किसका नाम लूं मैं? Tanvi is very confused कि whose name किसका लूं? Tanvi धीमान का लूं कि काव्या चौधरी का लूं? Tanvi is very confused. Yes, Tanvi. Tanvi.
मैम आप किसी का भी दे दो.
मैं कैसे दे दूं बेटा? Who is your best friend? कौन है आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड?
मैम
Avantika. Want to chat with Avantika the ma'am?
मैम काव्या.
Want to chat with Kavya? Okay. Kavya and Tanvi. Okay. Yes. Let's start with Kavya and Tanvi.
Hello, Tanvi.
Hello. We are
I'm surprised.
after 5 years.
Yes, I am just surprised.
I am also.
Okay. Now tell me this thing. It is a pleasant surprise or it is a horrible surprise, Kavya? Is it a
Ma'am, it's
pleasant
a
surprise?
horrible surprise.
It's a horrible surprise. You are meeting with your best friend and it is a horrible surprise for you. ये आपके लिए क्या horrible surprise है? You are meeting with your best friend and you are saying that this is a horrible surprise. बहुत खतरनाक surprise है. कि pleasant pleasant surprise है. It is a pleasant surprise. Okay, ये बहुत अच्छा surprise है when you meet with your friends. Okay, अब horrible है तो तुम्हें तो बहुत डर लगा एक me सबकी friend को देखकर. Okay. Yes, chat. जल्दी से chat करो. After that, we will do our listening skill. Yes, Tanvi and Kavya. Tanvi and Kavya.
Tanvi, where you live? Where's your
I
home?
am live near the Nagrota.
Okay.
And where are you live?
I live in Kangra.
Okay.
I try very much to find your number, but I was not able to find.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Now, students. Okay, beta. Now, students, I'm going to narrate a story. Okay, any of the students who want to converse, just like this Kavya, Tanvi, this Ayush Kumar has done. Any other student who wants to converse? कोई और बात करना चाहता है? This Priyanshu, Nishant, Kanika is, I think she's traveling. Naksh, और कोई student who wants to talk? नहीं करना चाहते आप chat? Okay, let us move ahead. Okay, now I'm going to Avantika Dhiman. Yes, Avantika Dhiman.
Yes,
Yes, you want to. Who is your best friend?
Ma'am, Tanvi Dhiman.
Dhiman wants to talk with Dhiman. Okay, okay. Yes, one. Yes, Tanvi and Avantika.
Hello, Tanvi. Hello, Avantika. How are you? We are meeting so long time.
Yes. These days, okay, we are meeting after a long time. We are meeting after so many years. Where have you been these days? Try to use these lines, okay? Then, karo beta chat.
I live in Shimla.
Where
are you live?
Listen, don't ask this thing again and again. Where do you live? Where? ऐसे मत पूछ. Okay, how your studies are going on? How you are feeling at homes.
Mother and father?
My mother is father.
How is your mother and father?
Mhm.
Fine. How are you, mother and father? And your brother?
My mother and father is also fine.
Mhm.
How do you feel now in lockdown?
Okay. Are you enjoying your days at home or you are missing your school? Okay, you can answer. Tanvi,
In my school because I have
We are missing our
I'm missing my school badly. I'm missing my friends, my classmates. I'm missing. Mhm.
we are
Yes.
studying in school.
Okay, very good. Very good, Richa.
Feel to meet up with friends.
Now, tell me this thing. Ayush Kumar and boys की तरफ से. Okay, now I will narrate a story. Okay, then you will give its answer. Okay, be attentive in the class. This is for your listening skill activity. Okay, मैं story बोलूँगी, then I will answer. Listen to me carefully. On Friday, James went to the dentist for a checkup. Listen to me carefully. The dentist told James that he had a cavity. The dentist used a special tool to clean and fill the cavity. Okay. The dentist said James needed to do 3 things. First, he needs to brush his teeth for 10 minutes, at least twice a day. Second, James needs to floss more often. Last, James needs to eat less sugary treats. Once more I am reading, then I will ask from you, okay? On Friday, James went to the dentist for a checkup. The dentist told James that he had a cavity. The dentist used a special tool to clean and fill the cavity. The dentist said that James needed to do 3 things. First, he needs to brush his teeth for 10 minutes at least twice a day. Second, James needs to floss more often. Last, James needs to eat less sugary sweets. Okay. Now, you will not say, ma'am, may I, okay? You will just raise your hand and I will see from participants, okay? Now, first question, listen to the first question. Why did James go to the dentist? Just raise your hand. I will come to know that who is the most attentive and intelligent student, world best trial of the class. Why did James go to the dentist? Only Kavya has raised her hand. What about rest of the students? What about Vinay, Tanvi, Priyanshu, this? Yes, Kavya, Tanvi, or why did James go to the dentist? Because it is very easy, Rita. Yes, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi, you speak out the answer. Beta, say who has, देखो, one is Tanvi and other is Tanvi Dhiman. I am saying Tanvi. Why did James go to the dentist? Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, because he had a cavity on Steve.
Very good, very good. I think very good, Kaka. Good. Yes, Avantika.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आप ये इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर से पढ़ा रहे हो?
नहीं बेटा, ये न्यूज़पेपर से नहीं करवाया आपको. ये just मैं I read a passage. Okay, passage was written in my copy. I just read it, and then I am asking questions.
मैम बट मैम आपने जो हमारी टुडे का सैटरडे का दिया था तो मैम उसमें हमें न्यूज़पेपर लेने के लिए बोला है. उस
Okay, तन्वी, लेकिन मैंने न्यूज़पेपर से नहीं करवाया क्योंकि only 10-11 students are there in your class. Okay, okay. If you want to do newspaper reading, wait a minute. Okay? Yes, I just want you to be attentive in the class, and that's why I'm asking questions. Okay. तभी यहाँ पे एक पैसेज दिया कि तुम listen करो, उसको ध्यान से सुनो. Why did James go to the dentist as Kavya has said? Now, second question, tell me, what did the dentist say that James had? What did the dentist say that James had? Very easy question. क्या बोला था dentist ने? आयुष कुमार. Only काव्या. सिर्फ मुझे लग रहा है काव्या ही पढ़ती है क्लास में. सिर्फ काव्या रीड करती है और बाकी what about other students? Yes, Tanvi. What did the dentist say that James had? Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What did the dentist say that James had? क्या बोला था dentist ने?
मैम उसके टीथ में प्रॉब्लम है.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन.
What did he say that? Very easy question. Dentist said that James had a cavity. बस ये attentive रहा करो class में. That is the last question. Okay. What was the second thing James needed to do? Last. What was the second thing James needed to do? Priyanshu.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन. आई नॉट है.
Beta, I don't know. तुम listening skill activity करते हो. Your teacher has said to me this thing that you do listening skill activity, and when I am asking question, then you people are not able to give its answer. Only one girl has raised her hand. You do listening skill activity. आप करते हो listening skill activity? Okay. I ask you, what was the second thing James needed to do? कौन सी second thing थी? What was the second thing? Bas, only one girl. Yes, Kavya, what was the second thing?
Ma'am, to eat less sugary things and brush teeth.
That was the first thing. Tanvi Dhiman. Tanvi Dhiman, what was the second thing?
मैम टू ब्रश हिज टीथ.
बेटा यही बस लिसनिंग स्किल एक्टिविटी इसीलिए तो होती है कि तुमने लिसन क्या किया. व्हाट यू लिसन. ओके, व्हाट यू लिसन. सेकंड वाज she washes teeth. Okay, you are telling about the newspaper, so take it out. अभी टाइम है. Take it out. Newspaper.
Ma'am, I have not newspaper of English.
And
मैम मेरे पास इंग्लिश
as Tanvi, you are having
नहीं है. इंग्लिश का न्यूज़पेपर.
मैम आई हैव
नॉट इंग्लिश पेपर.
मैम आई हैव.
Wait a minute. Okay, you don't have them. You don't have this. Kavya don't have. Tanvi don't have. Avantika, are you having newspaper?
मैम आई हैव.
Okay.
नो मैम.
Tell me, just raise your hand. Who is sitting with newspaper? Who is sitting with newspaper this time? Tanvi. Only Tanvi. Okay. Yes, Tanvi. You please read out with her. Tanvi. Tanvi, front page. Okay. Because I have read that front page. Yes, Tanvi. Listen to students. Listen, students. Listen to Tanvi. What Tanvi is reading, and then you will try to explain, you will try to summarize कि तन्वी ने क्या read किया. Okay? अभी newspaper only Tanvi is having. अब तन्वी read करेगी और other students they will listen to her carefully and they will tell, they will summarize क्या बोला तन्वी ने. Yes, Tanvi, read out. Only Tanvi is coming. Any other student?
New India can meet difficult targets. PM says Vex fit and answer to science appeals for questions during festivities. Says makes masks a habit. New Delhi, October 22. Terming the vaccine century milestone as a sign of New India that can set the mighty goals.
Very easy topic. This Tanvi is reading. That is very easy topic. And then I will ask. Okay. Yes, Tanvi. Read out. Better you continue.
Goals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday cautioned people against laxity during festivals and urged them to buy local goods as they ride the wave of what he called all round positivity and options spread by 100 crore plus COVID doses.
Okay, wait a minute. Tanvi, only you are.
No matter how strong.
Tanvi, wait a minute, beta. Only you are having newspaper. Rest of the student they don't have.
Ma'am, I have.
Tanvi is saying. Yes, Tanvi. Okay, read the next paragraph and then you please tell me what you have read. Okay, आप एक paragraph और read करो. फिर you tell me. Close your newspaper. Then you tell me what you have read. जो तुम्हें 2-3 line जो समझ में आई हैं, देखिए that are understood by you. Then you will tell कि आप what our Prime Minister has said. क्या बोला हमारे Prime Minister ने? Okay. Tanvi, read next paragraph also and then try to summarize. Okay. Very good. Tanvi is having newspaper. Very good. Yes, Tanvi, read the next paragraph also. Tanvi, read करो बेटा.
The PM said in a 20-minute televised address to the nation a day after India became the second country after China to deliver over 1 million shots to its people. Modi asked people to make mask wearing a habit and held the 100 crore vaccine. Thus landmark as a picture of New India, which can achieve high targets and can tirelessly work to achieve its goal. As he reflected on the challenges faced since the outbreak of the pandemics, the PM said 1 million shots was an answer to CMICS. Who questioned how a democratic country like an India could vaccine such as large population in time to beat the pandemic. Administering 100 crore plus doses is not just a statistic. Continued on page 7.
Continued on means the topic is yet to be completed on page number 7. Okay, Tanvi, very good. First of all, good for that. You are having newspaper as it was instructed. And now Tanvi, what you have read, better please try to summarize. Whatever you have read, okay, जो समझ में आया, that what our Prime Minister had. You put newspaper side, okay. Keep your newspaper. Better keep your newspaper at one side. दूसरी साइड रख दो न्यूज़पेपर. See, look at screen. अब स्क्रीन में विजिबल है. अब बोलो जो तुम्हें समझ में आ गया. Whatever you have read, okay? जो आपको समझ में आया वो रीड करो. What our
Ma'am,
prime
मुझे
minister has said, what he has.
सेकंड पैराग्राफ से
Yes.
समझ आया.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. सेकंड से आया समझ तो बताओ. That what our
Ma'am,
prime minister has said, what precaution we should
Ma'am, our
take.
prime minister said कि मैम चाइना में जो वैक्सीन मैम वो भेजना इतनी आसान नहीं है.
Wait a minute. Avantika Dhiman, in which work you are busy, Avantika Dhiman? Avantika Dhiman, very good, Avantika. Very good.
मैम
क्या? Wait a minute. Avantika Dhiman, this Tanvi has read the newspaper, okay? Yes, Avantika, but she has read. ये बताओ, क्या read किया उसने? She has read the newspaper. Now tell me what she has read. You try to guess.
Your voice is
So you can say voice was cracking, voice was not coming. Yes, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi, beta. Yes.
मैम एंड 1 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा मैम 100 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा मैम इंडिया में जो पीपल है मैम वो वैक्सीन लगा चुके हैं.
Yes. Mainland
मैम
market.
हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर कह रहे एंड ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है.
Very good. Yes. Yes. Main newspaper headlines it was that newspaper this corona vaccine के इतने shots we have done. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात थी. It was mentioned in that newspaper. Now, beta, I am going to share the screen. Okay, let me see. I am going to share the screen, and then beta, you will this Kanika, Anshuman, Priyanshu. Okay, they will try to tell me. Picture composition will be there. Time is there. So this Anshuman, Kanika, and Priyanshu will tell. Okay, let me share the screen. First of all, let me see कि होता है कि it works. Let me see. Okay. Wait a minute, beta. Now, beta, my screen is visible. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yes. Okay, beta. Okay, beta, it will come. Okay. Now, screen is visible.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Priyanshu. With this Priyanshu ID is Priyanshu. Look at this picture composition and try to speak. What does this? Picture composition, how you will stand. Good morning. This is a picture of a park, okay? You will use present tense. This is a picture of park. And this picture, a girl is there, some teams are there, they are playing football like this, okay? You will describe. Yes, this Anshuman. Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, you speak out. Look at this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, time is going to be over. Do fast.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait a minute. Anshuman, and after Anshuman, Kanika. Yes, Anshuman. Anshuman, what happened? This is a picture of park. ये तो simple सी line है बेटा. You can speak this simple line. Kanika. Kanika. Kanika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanika. Yes, Kanika.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको yes करने को नहीं बोलना है. मैंने बोला इसको explain करो. What is this picture all about? इस picture को देखो. Look at this picture and try to say 5 lines on it.
Ma'am, can I tell?
There is playground.
Arush. Nothing is.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Anshuman, Ayush Kumar.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Yes, beta, speak out.
The team are playing in this park, and the student
Okay.
playing in this park, and
Hmm.
one girl and boy eating food.
Yes, very good. A dog is
The
tail.
animals,
Hmm.
the animals are
Hmm.
also in there is park. Squirrels also,
Hmm.
and two girls are talking,
Okay.
and some people are cheers the football team.
Yes, some people are cheering the football team.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I say what happened in this picture.
Okay.
This is a picture of park. There
Hmm.
are different type of people. Some are animals, some girls, some children, some boys.
Hmm.
There is a
Hmm.
dog sitting near two peoples, and they are eating hot
Okay.
dogs.
Yes, and there are two squirrels also, na? They are eating nuts. Look at these two squirrels. Yes, there are, na?
There
Hmm.
are there
Hmm.
are teams of footballers.
Okay, two
They
football
are
teams.
playing football.
Hmm.
So there are some children. They were swing on
Hmm.
slide.
Okay.
There are some people, and they are cheering the team of footballers.
Okay, and dog is also chasing them. Look at this picture. A dog is there. He's chasing him. दिख रहा है ना आपको एक dog?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And this.
and then the dog also run with this football team.
Hmm.
I can.
There is a boy sitting on the bench.
Yes. Okay, look at this mother and sister, daughter. What they are doing?
The mother is
Ma'am, screen is sharing half.
Yes, sorry. Okay. Now, anyone else? Anyone else?
Ma'am, I can say.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
can say again. Ma'am,
Sorry.
ma'am,
Hmm.
there is
This is a picture of
ma'am,
park.
there is playing a football team,
Hmm.
and some people are cheering them, and a dog is also playing with them, them, and there also a girl is stand. She wear a red dress.
Very good. Hmm.
She wear a red dress and blue helmet,
Okay.
and and
Hmm.
and also one girl helping them.
Okay. And what about
Ma'am,
this person?
she wear yellow dress.
Okay, beta. And what about these?